So hi Ada, welcome to IWM Buzz. This is your host Subhajit. Thank
Hello.
you so much. Finally
Hi,
after all the
Subhajit.
battles regarding the challenge and everything, technicalities and everything, we can finally be here.
Yes,
So good to see your smiling face after long. The last time I think we spoke was during that live conversation. तब
correct.
कुछ माहौल अलग था. अभी कुछ माहौल अलग है
जी.
because work is back right now. You're having your own songs. A lot of stuff is happening. So what is the vibe like? How was 2021 started? In terms of work and overall.
Well, I would say that it is still slow. I wouldn't say it's like really started with a bang, but it is still slow or slowly it is picking up. And I just want that, it should just ASAP, it should just become like before, when we could work without any fear. So I want everyone should get the vaccines and everyone should be safe so that ये जो अभी हो रहा है पूरे वर्ल्ड में वो ना हो बस खत्म हो जाए जल्दी से you know
Yeah. But obviously the things are better right now. I mean, the last time I think we spoke, you were eagerly waiting. कि कब मैं जाऊंगा वापस काम पे? And today we are talking after you have come out with some good work. So there has
yeah.
definitely been a change in momentum. The song in particular with Arjun, the chemistry and everything we always talk about. But then it also plays a role because if people are good friends in real life and if they're good actors, वो हो ही जाता है. Like
Yes,
the
yes.
fact that you're getting to work after so long, especially after a difficult year, back together, working together with your friends and colleagues. How has the overall experience been? Because I'm pretty sure the shooting experience is quite different from what it was, earlier when things were absolutely normal.
So basically, firstly, this Mohabbat Phir Ho Jayegi, very beautiful song sung by Yasir Desai. And the reason to obviously do this song was me and Arjun would get to work again together after such a long time. And we both were very excited and we both said a yes.
Yeah.
And we worked in Nagin. So we
Yes.
Arjun, of course, is a prankster, and we have a lot of fun on set. But this time, more than just. I mean, Arjun didn't, to my surprise, he didn't do any pranks on me. In fact, we just spoke and spoke. We were just talking a lot in these 2 days of shoot. We were uh, just talking about how his lockdown was and how my lockdown was and what happened, what is the change in us. So it was more of deep conversations than, kind of pranks and all. So we had a very different feel that time. We were just enjoying ourselves, and more than shooting, we were just having fun at work.
And when you're having fun at work, I think that's the best space to be in,
That's it. Yeah,
rather
yeah,
than
yeah.
having a very serious atmosphere.
Yeah, then you feel that you're not working at all because it's
Ah,
all a
so
part of fun.
so मस्ती मस्ती में काम हो जाता है and you
हो
don't
जाता
even
है.
realize क्या हो गया. But
Yes,
you mentioned
definitely.
something that after a long time you guys obviously work, but tell me something that you said that you guys just spoke because I mean you didn't have really any pranks going in. It was just conversation around. So do you think that personally, as well as because of the fact that you've known Arjun for a long time, has the lockdown changed him in any way in terms of how he is as a personality? Has he become more serious about stuff? What has he become like?
Arjun can never become serious, that's for sure. So that is something that you don't even expect. It's just that our conversations were different. He, as a person, is completely same. But as we say, we evolve, we grow as a person, we learn certain things with experiences. So that is there. So that I think each one of us have. But Arjun will still be a prankster that he is. So वो इसके बारे में कभी change नहीं होगा, and he can never become serious. So forget about that.
Yeah. Let's just hope that the natural Arjun remains the way he is always. But
Always, I hope.
this I would say I would not use the word trend because music videos have been there for a long time. But then I would say the acceptance of music video in terms of the way audience have accepted music videos, especially in the last few years, because I mean film music, I mean everybody is listening, but somewhere down the line there's a sense of boredom that prevails in film music. But when you're coming up with the new music, in terms of music video, there's a certain sense of originality as well, and at the same time you get to see some really refreshing on-screen pairs. So when you said this, yes to this project, this music video, was it more of the song and the vibe that you got from the song, or was it more like, अरे यार अर्जुन के साथ वापस काम करेंगे मजा आएगा?
See, firstly, of course, the song was sent to us, and definitely the song is amazing. Yasser Desai's voice is amazing. The song is amazing. And of course, when Arjun was there, it was definitely a yes, has to be a yes. So and ये जो म्यूजिक वीडियो का ट्रेंड है ये बहुत पहले से ही है. आई थिंक वी वर किड्स एंड वी यूज्ड टू वॉच ऑल दीज अमेजिंग म्यूजिक वीडियोस एंड आज तक हमें याद है वो सारे म्यूजिक वीडियोस ऑफ परी हूँ मैं, मेड इन इंडिया एंड गुरु नालिश कुमिटा एंड अदनान सामी's videos. I mean, kitne aaye the, and that was a beautiful trend, and I'm very happy that the trend has come back and I am a part of it too. And March has been very kind to me that my 3 music videos have released. The very recent one that released yesterday was Jugani. I think you must have seen it, with Divya Kumar's voice. Oh, magical voice, and people are loving that too, so I'm very 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 happy about that.
I've seen a lot of Divya's concerts as well. The last time I think I was performing with Amit Trivedi in Kolkata, and I attended that concert. So I understand, the talent and potential that man has in terms of music, and the way he's so passionate about it. I mean, it's absolutely impressive, and you just feel like, yeah, yaar, itna acha banda agar hai, to kaise nahi, how do we not be a part of such a lovely thing?
And the
So
best thing was it was shot in Rishikesh.
Yeah,
If you
beautiful
saw the
location.
video, oh ho ho. And I had never been to Rishikesh. It was on my bucket list for a very long time. And when they called me and said that, Times Music called and they said that it's gonna be shot in Rishikesh, and I was like, okay, I have to go there. So I extended my stay after shoot and I just explored Rishikesh.
Lovely, and you're talking about bucket list. Obviously, these things are a personal part of the bucket list that you have in terms of your personal life, but a
Yeah.
lot of bucket list, that continues in your professional life as well. So I want to come to that as well. You have done so much already, and there's always scope for doing a lot more. What are the
Definitely.
things that you want to do probably in the near future in terms of your own characteristics as an actor? What are the things that is probably exciting you right now in terms of the content that's prevailing outside?
See, there's some amazing content that is coming up, and as an actor, I would say that it's every day you're learning, every day you're exploring new things, new characters, and if you're offered something very challenging, you're lucky. Right now, I'm looking for TV, yes, but also OTT,
Yeah.
and because the concepts of there are really great. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
and the audience is different too, and I don't know, I just want to explore that side as well.
This नया एक जो format आया है वो ये है कि a lot of successful TV series they have
Mhm.
turned into OTT format. Like if you see Jamai, now
Yes,
you just recently saw Surve's Kubul hai, too.
yes, yes, yes.
So did you want any of your own particular work to probably come, as a web series, sometime soon in the future?
Why not? Yeah, why
Which
not?
one
It's
is the one that is
always good.
particularly in your mind that you would love कि अगर इसका कोई नया sequel अगर आए in the form of a web series? What is that one show of yours that you would love?
I think it would either be Amrit Manthan,
Yeah.
because people really, really like that show. Nagin ka to khair aa hi raha hai. So otherwise, Vishya Amrit Sitara, that is also an amazing show. So let's see, kaun sa kya aata hai. And even Comedy Nights Bachao, if it comes, it'll be great.
Yes, yes, it's going to be a laughter marathon, of course.
Yes,
But
yes, yes.
and lastly, that I would want to ask before I wrap up this conversation is the
Yeah,
fact that
yeah,
you're doing a lot of music videos. You are saying that you have web in mind, and at the same
yes,
time, he is also there. So
yes.
भगवान करे मैं चाहता हूँ दिल से मेरी ये दुआ है कि अगर आपको ये सब एक साथ मिलना चालू हो जाए. Do you have anything in mind?
Inshallah.
How do you plan to actually balance all three of it? Because your schedule is going to get really packed at that point of time. How do you plan to
That's
balance
not
it?
actually that's not possible that you can do all 3 things together, because when you're working in TV you give at least 24 days to them, and आप 12 घंटे से ऊपर shoot कर रहे हो, so that's not possible. So if you are in just one um, if you're doing one show, you need to give that character your 100%. you know, and you can't play 3 characters at the same time because you won't be doing justice to even one. So I think, see, those shows yes you can do, but teen not possible.
But anyway, दो हो तीन हो कुछ भी हो, may you keep
हाँ,
entertaining your fans like the way you always
inshallah.
have. And may the
Inshallah.
music videos keep coming. मार्च है अभी, 3 महीने हुए, 3 म्यूजिक वीडियोस ऑलरेडी देयर. ऐसे करके हर एक महीने में एक म्यूजिक वीडियो आप लेते आइए. Keep entertaining
Inshallah.
your fans.
Inshallah.
God bless. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you
Really
so
enjoy
much.
your lovely
Thanks a
time.
lot. Yes,
Thank you.
yes. I had a lovely time. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye. Bye bye.